Girls, tell me, did you guys eat your lunch today?
Maybe. It's a surprise.
YouTube fam, Beth Courtney, recommended that I film a video where the girls design their own lunch and they choose their lunch to see if they would eat that better, because my last video where I packed the girls' lunch didn't really go that successful. They didn't really eat too much of it. If you haven't seen that video, you can tap this eye right here. So I decided to film it, and I decided to make it a collab with my YouTube friend Kim from the YouTube channel The Wads. Now I love Kim's channel because anytime I need like motivation for like healthy snacks for my girls or healthy meals to cook for my family or different hauls, I love to go to her channel, and definitely for lunches, what she packs her girls for lunch. Her girls seem to eat the lunches that she packs for them more than mine do. So make sure you guys go check her channel out. Check that video out. It's in the description box. Tell her I said hello. Make sure you subscribe, because I know that if you like my content, you'll love hers. And if you are here from Kim's channel, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gia. I'm a working mom who posts all types of videos. Take a look around. Join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below, as well as the little bell next to it. And for those already subscribed, welcome back. So like I said, I let the girls pack their lunch. I laid everything out, and I tried not to influence them at all. Although I did make a few suggestions, but they totally chose what they wanted to pack for their lunch, and you'll see what they ate in the video. So let's get right to it.
You want red or green? Are those the ones you want? No, we just need one.
No, wait.
All right, put them in the cart. Ava, you want to pick out the strawberries? Okay, because those are your favorite.
So my husband was kind enough to take the girls to the store and kind of let them pick out what they wanted for their lunches. Now I did send him with a list and told him not to let them go crazy, but they actually did pretty good in choosing some of the snacks and fruits and veggies that they wanted to try. So you guys are going to pack your own lunches, okay? So what would you guys like for your lunch? So here's ours, here's Ava's. Get down, Ava.
Where's it upside down?
Okay, so what do you guys want for your lunch today? How about an orange? Why don't you guys pick? Here's all your stuff. We have some lunch meat, some pepperoni, some strawberries, some cheese, some broccoli, some grapes.
Can you open this?
We have so the girls are done picking out their lunch. They picked, I don't know, I expected them to pick something different. They both wanted two meats, which is weird. Ava wanted Hawaiian rolls, some grapes, mandarin oranges, and a Baby Bell cheese, but every time I buy the Baby Bell cheese, they never want them. But my husband said at the store, they said they wanted them, so. And then Zara picked grapes, mandarin oranges, pepperoni, maple turkey, and a Baby Bell cheese. So we will see if they eat it or not. Tell me, did you guys eat your lunch today?
Maybe. It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. Well, why don't you tell mommy? Did you eat it?
I'm hungry.
All right, let's take a look. Ava, let's see. Wait a minute. Okay, let's see. Ava, you ate everything except for the oranges, baby. Why didn't you eat the oranges?
Because they taste terrible.
They taste terrible, baby? What's so terrible about them? Tell me. You just didn't like them? Okay, so it's Ava's. Okay, Zara, it's your turn.
I'm so scared. Look at my nails.
Okay, all right.
Ava, stop.
Be nice. Zara, you didn't eat anything but the Baby Bell cheese. You didn't even eat your Grapes. Why didn't you eat your grapes?
Because.
Okay. Well,
Look at them.
what's wrong with them? They're good. You ate some last night. These are good grapes.
I don't like them.
Okay. All right, so let's get ready to pack our lunch for tomorrow. Okay, so we lost Ava, but Zara picked out everything. And what she picked out.
2 cheese sticks.
Okay.
Some pepperoni.
What's this?
And some pineapple. And some mandarin orange in a cup. And some popcorn.
Okay, and a Hawaiian roll, right?
Right. And it's a little square bread, so I hope you enjoy. Let's put it together.
All right, go ahead, start packing your lunch.
That's so hot. Okay, so let's open the cheese sticks up.
Let's dry this for you. Make them all that size, okay?
Push it down. I really want to eat so bad.
All right, so I lost the girls. But this is what Zara picked out everything. And so this one is Ava's, this one's Zara's. Hopefully tomorrow they will have eaten all of this because obviously it just didn't work yesterday. Well, actually they ate the majority of it, and I am learning that I don't have to give them as much. So we'll see if they eat this tomorrow. Girls, did you guys eat your lunch? Did you eat it? Why?
I don't want to.
Honey, you picked the lunch. Well, really, Sissy picked it out for you, but why didn't you eat it?
I don't know. You don't like what I picked out.
Well, what did you eat, Zara? All right, let's see what they ate. Oh, Ava did good. She did really, really good. Good. Zara picked that out, so that's awesome. Zara did good too. They both did really good. So this is a good thing. Maybe we'll have to start implementing this long term. They could just pack their own lunch, pick their own lunches and pack it. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go check Kim's video out. The link will be in the description box, and leave a comment down below and let me know, what do you pack for your kids for lunches? I get so many ideas from you guys, so make sure you leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, tap my picture up above, and you can also check out my previous video right over here, and all of my social media platforms all listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!